Hi, this is Iqbal Hasan. Welcome to eMart IT, your partner in smart business web automation. Today I will show you how we will set up the CRM system and automation. What is CRM? CRM is customer relationship management. Every business, every service you provide, customer is the key. Without customer, you doesn't have any service or a product. So you have to create a strong relationship with your customer. That's the main goal of a good CRM. To achieve that goal, we will start by creating a lead connector or a funnel. Then according to that funnel or the lead capture automation, we will create the pipeline. In that pipeline, we will mention the stages like new lead, booking appointment is sent, then appointment is booked, then the service is sold out or not, then the lead is closed or not. Then we will create a workflow according to the pipeline. All the thing I mentioned, it is a characteristics of a good CRM. The final result we will achieve with that CRM using the process is called automation. Let's jump into my computer and let me show you a live project of CRM and the automation so that you have a broader idea. As you can see, this is the form I created to generate any leads. We can implement a funnel. It is a 2-page funnel. This is the first page. I put this lead connector form inside this funnel. How it will start automatically. Let me go to that process. Let's go to the pipeline first. Opportunity. You can see lead generation first pipeline. Inside this pipeline, I set 4 stages. If anyone communicated, then it is new stage, new lead, appointment link sent, then appointment book, appointment completed, or we can add that deal is closed. According to this pipeline, we will set the automation. Next, we go to the automation and you can see the form submit automation. This form submit automation will start working with a trigger, and the trigger is form submitted. The form I created, it is integrated with this trigger. If anyone submit anything, any message, any request, then it will trigger, and you can see the form name. After that, I add a step internal notification. If anyone communicate using this form or this form, then we will receive a internal notification. The carrier and the update opportunity is the pipeline stage. In this stage, it will tagged as new lead. Then I will send this kind of message, all our service and a meeting link. After that, the lead will move to the next stage from the pipeline. Then I put a wait step. If customer reply, I will send a notification like thank you for your message. If not reply, then we will send a reminder message after 1 day. The reminder message look like this. We will wait 1 more day, 2 day or 3 day. After that, we will again send a meeting schedule link if customer reply. If not reply, then we will send a final reminder and the deal will be closed. This is the final reminder. According to the pipeline, the workflow is created and all the automation is going on. If anyone communicate, service, I selected message hello. Submitted, according to the funnel, it will show me a thank you message. And as I submitted this, the automation is already started. Let's go to the conversion tab. You can see there is a new message. So you can see a opportunity is created and a customized message already sent to the customer. After that, if the customer book calendar from this link, then we already set up a different automation. It is the appointment booking automation. In this automation, I put a trigger that appointment booked, lead will be go to the pipeline 30 step, booking is confirmed, then wait, then sending a notification before 30 minutes. It will do all the thing automatically. So now you saw that how we create a CRM system and all the automation inside GoHighLevel using GoHighLevel all the built-in tools. So if you are looking to create a CRM system and all the automation, then please let us know. We are ready to work with you. We can create a website, we can do all the integration, we can do the SMS setup, email setup, voice mail setup, and everything inside GoHighLevel. If you have any questions, just let us know. info@emartit.com, or you can book a free consultation now so that we can discuss more. We are really looking forward to work with you. Thank you.